Hello friends, BMW X5 G65. The new generation is expected to premiere in spring-summer 2026, with production starting in August-October 2026 at the Spartanburg plant. The car will feature a completely new Neue Klasse style design, as well as a new interior with a large central display. The illustration is based on the latest information, so you can already get an idea of what the future legendary SUV will look like. Enjoy watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.